Picture a sleek, jet-black hull slicing through turquoise waters with a name on the bow that practically dares you to expect something different. Brilliant Lady is the kind of ship that has been generating chatter long before most travelers ever stepped foot on board, and for good reason. As the newest member of Virgin Voyages' adults-only fleet, she carries the rebellious DNA of her sisters Scarlet Lady, Valiant Lady, and Resilient Lady, while pushing the brand's playful, design-forward identity even further. For cruisers who have grown tired of buffet lines, formal nights, and overly corporate atmospheres, this ship has been positioned as a breath of fresh ocean air. She is built for grown-ups who want a vacation that feels more like a boutique hotel weekend than a traditional cruise. The vibe leans hip, slightly cheeky, and unapologetically modern, with a soundtrack that pulses through nearly every public space. What follows is an honest, top-to-bottom look at what guests can expect when they step aboard Brilliant Lady. From the cabins to the bars, from the sun decks to the spa, this review breaks down the experience the way an everyday traveler would actually live it. Whether someone is a first-time cruiser or a seasoned veteran, there is a lot here worth unpacking. The accommodations on Brilliant Lady continue the Virgin Voyages tradition of treating every cabin as a designed space rather than a generic room with a bed. Even the most affordable category, the Insider cabin, is built with thoughtful touches like mood lighting, a clever convertible bed, and a hammock-style seat in the cabins that have a window or balcony. There are no traditional inside cabins lacking personality here, which is refreshing for budget-conscious travelers. Sea terrace cabins are the most popular option, offering a private balcony complete with that signature red hammock that has become an icon of the brand. The room itself uses smart space planning, with a bed that transforms from a sofa during the day into a full sleeping setup at night. Tablets in the room let guests control the lighting, the temperature, and even the curtains, which feels a bit like staying in a futuristic hotel suite. For those who want to splurge, the Rockstar Suites and Mega Rockstar Suites bring a whole new level of indulgence. These accommodations come with perks like priority embarkation, access to exclusive lounges, a personal agent who can arrange just about anything, and rooms that include features like record players, peekaboo showers, and outdoor hot tubs on certain top-tier suites. The design here borrows from boutique hotels in cities like London, Miami, and Tokyo, with bold colors, plush textiles, and statement art on the walls. Accessibility has been considered throughout, with a selection of cabins designed for guests with mobility needs. These rooms feature wider doorways, roll-in showers, and lowered fixtures, allowing travelers with different abilities to enjoy the same stylish atmosphere as everyone else. Since the ship is adults-only, family configurations focus more on couples and friend groups, with some cabins set up for connecting parties of 3 or 4 adults traveling together. Dining on Brilliant Lady is arguably where the ship throws its biggest punch against traditional cruise expectations. There is no main dining room serving the same rotating menu every night. Instead, guests get access to a collection of specialty restaurants, and the kicker is that they are all included in the fare with no extra charge. This single decision changes the entire feel of mealtimes on board. The lineup includes a Korean barbecue spot where tabletop grills sizzle with marinated meats, a steakhouse that nods to classic American chop houses with a modern twist, and an Italian restaurant offering handmade pasta in a warm, family-style setting. There is also a vegetarian-forward venue that has won over even die-hard carnivores with creative, plant-based dishes that feel more like art than health food. Each restaurant has its own designer, its own menu philosophy, and its own atmosphere, so dinner feels like a new adventure every evening. Casual dining is just as strong, with a food hall concept that includes wood-fired pizza available at almost any hour, a taco stand, a build-your-own bowl counter, and a bakery turning out fresh pastries and sandwiches. The pizza, in particular, has developed something of a cult following among Virgin cruisers, and many guests insist on grabbing a slice as a late-night ritual. Room service is handled through the app and includes a famously good bacon sandwich that has become a signature of the line. The bar scene is just as ambitious. There are intimate lounges pouring craft cocktails, a champagne bar where a quick press of a button summons a fresh glass, a tequila and mezcal-focused hideout, and lively spots that transform into dance floors after dark. The drink program leans into trendy, well-crafted cocktails rather than sugary frozen concoctions, and the bartenders are encouraged to bring personality and flair to every pour. For coffee lovers, there is also a dedicated coffee bar serving proper espresso drinks throughout the day. Themed dinners and pop-up dining experiences round out the offerings, with shows that combine performance and food in ways that feel more like dinner theater in a major city than anything on a typical cruise. These experiences often require advance reservations, and they are worth booking early because they sell out quickly. The overall dining philosophy is built around variety, quality, and a relaxed dress code that lets guests enjoy great food without ever feeling stuffy. Moving up to the top of the ship, the pool and sun deck areas keep the same chic, design-driven feel that runs through the rest of Brilliant Lady. The main pool area is set up more like a sleek resort than a typical cruise pool deck, with comfortable loungers, cabanas, and plenty of space to spread out. The pools themselves are stylish and inviting, surrounded by curated music and a casual bar service that keeps drinks flowing. Because the ship is adults only, the entire pool deck has a noticeably calmer, more grown-up atmosphere than most family cruise ships. There are no water slides, no splash pads, and no kids cannonballing into the deep end. Instead, guests find a vibe that ranges from peaceful sunbathing during the day to a lively pool party feel by late afternoon, complete with live DJs spinning sets on certain sea days. The aquatic club area is one of the standouts, offering a more refined sun-worshipping space with elevated views and a slightly quieter crowd. Whirlpools are positioned around the ship to give guests several spots to soak with a great view of the horizon, and some of the most coveted ones are reserved for rock-star suite guests. The runway, a feature inherited from her sister ships, is a glass-floored extension off the back of the top deck that lets brave guests look straight down to the water below. Adults seeking a more secluded sunbathing experience can find tucked-away corners across multiple decks, including hammocks strung along the outdoor running track. The ship's designers clearly understood that not everyone wants to be at the center of the party, so quiet pockets are available for those who prefer their sun with a side of solitude. Towel service, drink service, and a generally attentive crew make spending a full day outside genuinely enjoyable. Onboard activities aboard Brilliant Lady break the mold in ways that surprise even seasoned cruisers. Forget the cheesy cruise director game shows and the predictable Broadway knockoff productions. Entertainment here is curated by creative teams from the worlds of theater, music, and immersive performance, resulting in shows that feel more like something a traveler might catch in a hip neighborhood of a major city. The main theater hosts original productions that blend dance, music, and storytelling with high production values. These shows often invite audience interaction, and they tend to push boundaries in ways that feel exciting rather than awkward. Beyond the theater, smaller performance spaces host everything from cabaret-style acts to live bands, drag performances, and intimate concerts. For active travelers, the ship offers a serious fitness center with high-end equipment, a dedicated outdoor running track, and group classes ranging from spin and high-intensity workouts to boxing and strength training. There are also outdoor sports facilities for basketball and similar pickup games, and a quirky activity lineup that has included things like overwater bungee experiences on previous Virgin ships. Guests who love staying active will find plenty to do without ever feeling like they are stuck in a hotel gym. Cultural and educational programming has its own flavor here too. Instead of traditional enrichment lectures, Brilliant Lady leans toward workshops on cocktail making, vinyl listening sessions, tattoo experiences in a real onboard tattoo parlor inherited from sister ships, and creative classes that lean artsy and modern. Game nights, trivia, and karaoke are all reimagined to feel like nights out at a trendy bar rather than a fluorescent-lit lounge. Late-night entertainment is a particular strength, with parties, themed nights, and pop-up performances that keep the energy high well past midnight. A Scarlet Night party tradition, complete with deck-wide celebration and dramatic lighting, has become a signature event that guests talk about for weeks after returning home. There is rarely a moment when something interesting is not happening somewhere on the ship. The spa and wellness offerings on Brilliant Lady are built around the idea that taking care of yourself should feel indulgent rather than clinical. The Redemption Spa, a name carried across the fleet, includes thermal suite areas with steam rooms, salt rooms, mud rooms, and quiet relaxation zones. Access to these thermal areas is available either as a day pass or bundled with certain treatments, and many guests consider it one of the best ways to spend a sea day. Treatment options cover the full range from massages and facials to body wraps, scrubs, and more specialized therapies. The treatment rooms are designed with calming aesthetics and modern equipment, and the therapists are trained to deliver experiences that feel personalized rather than rushed. Couples treatments are also available for travelers who want to share a relaxing afternoon together. Fitness and wellness classes go beyond traditional gym offerings to include yoga, meditation, and movement workshops. These are often held in scenic spaces with ocean views, which adds a meditative quality that feels hard to replicate on land. Some classes are included in the fare while specialty offerings carry an extra fee, but the basics give guests plenty of ways to stay active without paying extra. The salon and barber shop round out the wellness offerings with hair, nail, and grooming services for guests who want to look polished for a special dinner or just enjoy a bit of pampering. There is even a dedicated space for blowouts, manicures, and the kind of touch-up services that make a vacation feel a little more glamorous. Wellness on this ship is treated as part of the overall lifestyle rather than a side amenity. Brilliant Lady is an adults-only ship, which means the entire vibe is built around grown-up travelers without children in the mix. This is a key point for many cruisers who specifically seek out kid-free environments for their vacations. Couples, friend groups, solo travelers, and small parties of adults make up the bulk of the guest list, creating a social atmosphere that feels more like a boutique resort or a long weekend in a cool city than a family theme park at sea. The lack of children also shapes the entertainment, the dining, and the public spaces in subtle but noticeable ways. Pools are quieter, restaurants feel more relaxed, and late-night programming can lean a bit more adventurous without worrying about young eyes and ears. For travelers who appreciate this kind of environment, the ship delivers exactly what it promises. Ports of call on Brilliant Lady are expected to follow the playful Virgin Voyages approach of mixing classic cruise destinations with experiences that lean more boutique and curated. The itineraries planned for this ship are designed to take advantage of her newness by exploring regions that match her stylish, design-forward identity. Caribbean sailings, Mediterranean voyages, and other sought-after routes are all part of the lineup, depending on the season. Shore excursions through Virgin Voyages tend to lean towards smaller group experiences and partnerships with local guides who can deliver something more authentic than the typical bus tour. Think beach clubs with private cabanas, food tour led by local chefs, sailing trips on smaller vessels, and cultural experiences that feel curated rather than mass-produced. Guests who want adventure can still find ziplines and snorkeling, while those who prefer a slower pace can pick excursions focused on wine, art, or local cuisine. A signature feature of Virgin Voyages itineraries on certain Caribbean sailings is a visit to a private beach experience that has become a fan favorite, complete with shoreside parties, water sports, and that same design-forward aesthetic that defines the ships. These beach days are often cited as a highlight, with the energy of a music festival combined with the relaxation of a tropical island. It is the kind of port stop that turns first-time guests into repeat cruisers. For Mediterranean travelers, the ship's ports typically include legendary stops along the coasts where history, food, and scenery come together in classic European fashion. Excursions can range from guided wine tastings in coastal villages to historical tour of ancient sites, with plenty of options for travelers who simply want to wander a charming old town on their own. Whatever the destination, the shore experience is designed to match the spirit of the ship itself. Looking at Brilliant Lady as a complete vacation package, the strengths are pretty obvious. The food is excellent and included, the entertainment is creative and modern, the cabins are well designed even at the lower price points, and the adults-only atmosphere creates a relaxed vibe that many travelers love. The ship feels new in a way that goes beyond shiny floors and fresh paint, because the entire experience has been built around a different philosophy than most cruise lines follow. That said, the experience is not for everyone. Travelers who love big, splashy production shows in the traditional cruise style might miss the familiar formula. Families with children obviously cannot sail at all. and anyone who prefers a quieter, more sedate atmosphere might find the music-driven, late-night friendly energy a bit too lively on certain sailings. Knowing the brand's identity before booking is important. Some guests have also noted that the lack of a traditional main dining room means making reservations is part of the daily routine, which can feel like extra work compared to walking up at any time. The included drinks model also differs from a true all-inclusive, with sailors paying for individual cocktails through a prepaid bar tab system. Once these quirks are understood, however, most cruisers find the trade-offs more than worth it. What truly sets Brilliant Lady apart from competitors is the way she rejects almost every cliché associated with cruising. There are no formal nights, no buffets, no kids running through hallways, no photographers ambushing guests at every turn, and no rotating dining room schedules. Instead, the ship operates more like a floating boutique hotel with a strong food and beverage program, smart design, and a clear sense of style. The all-included specialty dining model alone is a major differentiator, putting Brilliant Lady in a category that few mainstream cruise lines can match. Combine that with the adults-only environment, the unique entertainment, the design-forward cabins, and the curated shore experiences, and you get a product that genuinely feels different from sailing on a typical big ship cruise line. For travelers seeking that distinction, this is exactly the kind of ship they have been waiting for. The crew culture is another standout, with staff members described as sailors rather than employees, and a uniform approach that lets personalities shine through. The result is service that feels warm and personal without slipping into scripted formality. It is the kind of difference that becomes noticeable on day one and stays consistent throughout the voyage. For travelers thinking about group bookings or special events, Brilliant Lady offers flexible spaces that can be adapted for celebrations, milestone trips, and even small corporate gatherings. While she is not built primarily as a conference vessel, her stylish lounges, performance venues, and private dining areas can host events that feel polished and unique. The ship has become a popular choice for milestone birthday trips, wedding celebrations, and group getaways with a strong shared sense of style. The guest experience highlights are where Brilliant Lady really earns her glowing reputation. Stories from sailors aboard her sister ships, which carry the same operational DNA, often mention small moments of magic that stick in memory long after the trip is over. A bartender who remembers a guest's favorite drink by day 2, a server who suggests the perfect dish based on a quick conversation, a performer who pulls a guest into the show in a way that feels exhilarating rather than embarrassing. These are the moments that travelers come home talking about. The signature deck parties under the stars, with the crew joining the celebration alongside guests, create a sense of shared excitement that is hard to find elsewhere. The relaxed dress code means people genuinely feel like themselves rather than dressed-up versions, which translates into more authentic interactions. Even quiet moments like sipping coffee in a stylish nook while watching the ocean roll by feel elevated thanks to thoughtful design. The combination of great food, creative entertainment, sharp design, and a genuinely fun atmosphere makes Brilliant Lady a strong contender for anyone planning their next cruise. She is the kind of ship that converts skeptics into believers, especially for travelers who thought they were done with cruising. For couples, friend groups, and solo adventurers looking for something different, she just might be the most exciting new ship on the water. Anyone considering a sailing aboard Brilliant Lady should book early, since Virgin Voyages itineraries on the newest ship in the fleet tend to fill quickly, especially during peak seasons. Watching for promotions, bar tab credits, and bundled extras can stretch the value even further. With the right planning, this ship has the potential to deliver one of the most memorable vacations of the year, and quite possibly redefine what cruising means for an entire generation of travelers.